What is up, my people? Welcome back to Crypto Infinity YouTube channel. Today we are checking out Bitcoin, the movement of Bitcoin, what happened in the past couple of months, some news about Bitcoin, what is happening with the ETF and how people are strongly holding BTC. This will be one educational purpose video, so guys, if you want to educate yourself and learn more about BTC, the price movement and global crypto market, definitely stay tuned. And we are here, guys. This is CoinMarketCap, and on CoinMarketCap we are checking global information about overall what is happening with it. Market cap of the whole cryptocurrency market is around 3.25 trillion, which is up 0.06%. In 24 hours the volume has dropped for 12%, so we have the down increase in that. Dominance of BTC is at 64% in Ethereum, taking around 9.3%. In the past, like a year or maybe 2 years behind, the Ethereum was holding bigger part of total market valuation, but right now has dropped. Still hasn't picked up where it was on around 4.5 thousand, but BTC is surpassing everything. In the last 7 days, as we can see over here, we have some movement of the price. It is like a red movement, but 1 year chart is something that I really want to show. 1 year ago, BTC was worth around $65,000, and right now is pursuing the price of 105,000. In the last 7 days, we have some green and red movement with some spikes and some lines hit. And in the last 1 day, as we can see, the price is steady. We can say also that for a month it is hovering in the range of 111, and the lowest price was around $100,000. Around $100,000, so we can expect that the price won't go below $100,000 per BTC, as it hasn't dropped for, as we can see, let's say when we surpass. So from over here, which was around the 8th of May, so 1.5 months, right now BTC is in that 100,000 and more range. In 1 year, as we can see, BTC has gone up for 62%. This is massive movement, and many of top performing and biggest crypto projects hasn't done that. Now, one news that I have checked out and I want to share with you, and it is 3 undeniable reasons why Bitcoin could be millionaire market. So it's written by Alex Karshidi and the Monthly Fool, which is really great. So first reason behind it is scarcity marches on and it won't ever stop. Scarcity means that there will be not many of Bitcoin tokens, and we know there is 21 million total supply. There can't be more than 21 million tokens, which will only increase the price and demand because we are mining, we are locking the tokens, and the supply is lowering. Bitcoin reserves are forming. That is how we are lowering the supply, so they are forming in public and also in private funds. As we can see over here, some examples with people holding up to 63 billion worth of Bitcoins, which is around 580,000 tokens. And we have the mining factors and holder stats that look bullish too. Total computing power hash rate at the mining difficulty boot niches fresh records in the end of the May. So a sign that miners are confident enough to future rewards of poor capital. So they're believing that Bitcoin, and as we can see, the prices that are received for harvesting the block are going to be good. Should you invest $1,000 in Bitcoin right now? Great question, and let me know what you think about that. Should anyone invest $1,000 in Bitcoin right now? And now I want to show you on TradingView. TradingView, I would love to put some indicators and to explain what is happening with Bitcoin. These are daily charts, so this is like ending of September last year. We can see some strong movement, and if we zoom in for a little bit, we can see over here that from April 8th we have stable uptrend. That is great looking, and we can see that is something like a resistance point that price wouldn't go below. One more line showing that we have some steady tops, something looking like this, which is, as we can see, uptrend is moving. We can draw one more line in the top resistance points where the price wouldn't go above. So we can see these lines too are going apart, one from each other, which means the range will go higher and the price of Bitcoin is expected to pursue it and to go higher than 110,000, higher than 115,000, and hitting the range of 125,000 in the next, as we can see, couple of months. That's my prediction, and I'm always doing that long time predictions. I'm not saying what will happen in the next day or two, but my prediction for the next couple of months is Bitcoin hitting the price of $125,000 per token. Let me know what you think about all of that. Thank you so much for staying till end of this video. This was short, informative video about Bitcoin movement news and what is happening with cryptocurrency market. Let me know what you think about all of this down below in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And one thing that I always love to see on the end, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.